To scan documents on iPhone 17 Pro Max, you have to open the app library for the first, and you have to scroll down into the notes. There we go. Now, when you are here, you will have to simply click on the new note, then click on this icon and click to scan documents. Now, you have to just position your document in a view. I'm gonna do this on this small, on this small card with a QR code. It will be much easier to fit this in my frame. And now as you can see, it was actually scanned automatically, and you can still adjust this after it was taken. So if you want to align those, dots, you can do this. And we got the zoom feature over here to even catch it better. And now click here, and as you can see, that was taken. We can still rotate this note if we want. We can apply some filters, for example, the black and white, the normal photo look, the color, or the grayscale. And if you don't like how your note looks, you can still try to retake this one. You can even turn on the flashlight to light up your document if you are in the place where there is no good lighting condition. And you can even turn on the automatic shutter, so it will scan this automatically. But that's basically how we can do that.